Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display you're getting this error Ex32 and you're trying to figure out, wait, what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it? So first of all, what's going on here is the Ex32 error is a humidity sensor failure error, which means that you could have an issue either with your humidity sensor, with your electronic control board, or with the wiring between the two, because in the end it's the control board that's putting up this error. So the steps to do this are to check the wiring between the humidity sensor and the control board for anything disconnected, damaged, loose, frayed, crossed, etc., and repair and replace that as necessary. Step 2 would be to actually replace the humidity sensor. And step 3 would be to replace the electronic control board. And if it gets to that point, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description into where you can for a tutorial on how to replace the control board.